Hi nail art friends, it's Beck, and today I'm going to show you how to do a really cute Valentine's Day manicure freehand. We're going to be using Sistaco products. So here I've started off with satin as the base, white and carnation as the pink colour. And I've cured them with a matte top coat. Matte top coat I'm using is from Sistaco, and I love this top coat. It's my favourite. I'm taking top coat and mixing it together with satin and a fine brush, and we're just going to draw a love heart. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds under the lamp, and it will be done. No top coat needed on that one. Let's do the same again on the thumb. Again, cure it, and we're done. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.